In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your time zone in Confluence. Getting your time zone right is more than a nice to have. It ensures page edits, comments, notifications, and due dates line up with your actual local time. That way, you and your team stay in sync and you avoid confusion around when something was updated or when a reminder was sent. Start by opening Confluence and logging into your account. Make sure you're signed in with the account you actually use for your projects so the change applies where you expect it to. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile picture. This opens your personal menu, which is where all your account related options live. From that menu, go to Settings or Account Settings. Depending on your Confluence version or hosting setup, the wording may vary slightly, but you'll be heading into your personal preferences area. This is where you control things like language, email options, and of course, your time zone. Inside your settings, find the time zone option. It's usually listed alongside other general preferences. If you see multiple sections, check the area labeled Preferences or Profile Details. Take a moment here. This is the setting that tells Confluence how to display times for you personally without affecting anyone else's account. Now choose your correct time zone from the list. You'll typically see options labeled by major cities or regions along with their UTC offsets. If your region observes daylight saving time, pick the city that best matches your location so the system can adjust automatically when the clocks change. If you're not sure which one to choose, select a nearby major city in your country that shares your time rules. After selecting your time zone, save or update your settings. Some pages have a save or update button, and in others, changes apply automatically as soon as you select the option. If there's a visible button, click it to confirm. A quick double check here helps make sure your choice sticks. Finally, refresh Confluence to make sure the new time zone is applied across the interface. A simple page reload will do. After the refresh, glance at any recent activity, comments, or page timestamps to confirm they now show the correct local time for you. That's it. By updating your time zone, you'll keep your Confluence timestamps accurate and your collaboration smoother. If you work across regions, this small change can make a big difference in avoiding scheduling mix-ups and keeping your work history clear.